So this is your level 2. Okay. Short answer questions. Each question carries 4 mark. First of all, I want to confirm that am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, if A comma B are position vectors of A and B with respect to the origin, and P divides A and B in the ratio of m is to n, then you have to prove that the position vector of P is m b bar plus n a bar whole divided by m plus n. Okay. Now let O be the origin. Okay, you already know OA bar is A bar and OB bar is B bar. P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. P divides AB in the ratio of P is dividing this AB in the ratio of m is to n. Then how we are going to write m is to n? We can write it as PA by PB is equal to m by n. Now just cross multiply. Send this n to this side and send this PB to this side. Then you will get it as NPA is equal to MPB. Okay, now just put the vectors. Okay, we are making them as vectors. Now AP can be written as OP minus OA. AP can be written as OP minus OA. Similarly, PB can be written as OB minus OP. Okay, clear till here? Now multiply n inside NOP minus NOA. Similarly, multiply m inside MOB minus MOA. Now take this OP to the left side and take this OA to the right hand side. Then you can take OP as common. Then you will get it as m plus n into OP bar is equal to MOB bar plus NOA bar. Clear? Now what is OB bar? OB bar is nothing but B bar. What is OA bar? OA bar is nothing but small a bar. Now send this m plus n to the right hand side and you will get it as OP bar is equal to m B bar plus n A bar by m plus n. Understood? Understood? Just write this down. You are having 2 minutes time. Next, if A bar comma B bar comma C bar comma D bar are position vectors of vertices of the tetrahedron. You already know what is a tetrahedron. A, B, C, D. Okay. Tetrahedron will be like this. It's a triangle. It's like a pyramid shaped. Understood? This shape is a tetrahedron. Then prove that line joining the vertices of the centroids of the opposite faces are concurrent. So let O be the origin. Okay, what we have to show? The centroid joining are concurrent. Okay, so let O be the origin. Let G1, G2, G3, G4. You have already learned the concept of centroid in your class 10th. Okay, is a triangle. Okay, a line from the opposite vertex divides a triangle to the mid to the other side. Okay, equally. Similarly from here and similarly from here. Then the point you will get, we represent it by G, that is your centroid. Okay, so we are having four vertices, right? How many vertices we are having? One vertices, two, three, and fourth vertex. So we are telling that the four centroids are G1, G2, G3, G4. Okay, be the centroids of triangle BCD, triangle CAD, triangle ABD, triangle ABC, respectively. Now, O is the origin. OG1 bar will be equal to B bar plus C bar plus D bar by 3. Okay, B bar plus C bar plus D bar by 3. Consider the point P which divides AG bar in the ratio 3 is to 1. Okay, AG bar is divided in the ratio of 3 is to 1. Okay, so this, how will we know? This is from geometry. Okay, it will be in the ratio of 3 is to 1. This we have learned in geometry. Okay, so OP bar will be equal to 3 into OG1 bar plus 1 into OA bar whole divided by 3 plus 1. Okay, now we already know what is OG bar from here. We already know what is OG bar from here. So we are just substituting OG bar over here. Now this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled and you will be left with A plus B plus C plus D whole divided by 4. Understood? Similarly, we can show that the position vectors of the point dividing BG2, CG3, DG4 is in the ratio of 3 is to 1 are equal to A plus B plus A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar whole divided by 4. Okay, therefore P lies on each of AG1 bar, BG2 bar, CG3 bar, DG4 bar, hence they are concurrent. Understood? If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, you are having 5 minutes time to write this down.